I really like this stationary bike. It is very convenient to have at home. Unfortunately, it uses batteries that I have to replace constantly as they only last a few sessions. I frequently have to run to the store to find them, which is very problematic and gets expensive. Today we are going to utilize this AC-DC 6-volt adapter. We will also need some cable to install it. Each battery provides 1.5 volts, so in total I need 6 volts since I have 4 batteries. I have included the link to the adapter if you are interested. We opened the cover to find the positive and negative cables and attached them with a soldering gun. Once done, we put the cover back on and run the cables under the device, so they do not interfere with me exercising. As we can see, everything is working fine, and I can just bike away. Goodbye batteries, I will not miss you.